Okay. All right. Name, period, title. That's okay. This is how you do number 1. You start with the rate of change. Do that. And then point slope. Write that formula. Then you, because you use the slope for 3 right there. Distribute first. That. Rate of change is that. Y-intercept is that. And then you graph it with the Y-intercept using the rate of change. Okay. Solve it. That's one solution there. The other one, I think your worksheet's different than this, but I think it's different, but you're absent. Here's A, graphing that. You should know how to do that. Here's B, solving it first and then graphing it. Okay, back side. Number 3, here's how you do number 3. X and Y-intercept and what they both mean. Okay, and here's X and Y-intercept. You don't have to do what the slope means. And number tickets there. And then number 9, next page. Number 9AB. Here's how do you do C. Okay, let me show you how to do D. You're finding X-intercept. You're basically making Y equals a 0. And Y is 0. It's like non-existent. So you pretend it's not there. So that's why we call the cover. So you get 2x equals to negative 24. Okay, and to solve for x, you divide by 2. X equals to negative 12. So find x negative 12. X negative 12 is right there. That point is called negative 12, 0. That's called the x-intercept. Okay, your y-intercept, you cover up the x. So you get a positive 8y equals negative 24. Divide by 8. Y equals negative 3. Okay, y negative 3. It's 2, 4. Negative 3 is right there. Okay, and that's why you call this 0, negative 3. That's your y-intercept. Connect the dots right there. Next page. Letter E. Okay. X-intercept, you cover the y. Or basically you make it go 0 and it goes away, right? Going away is basically covering it. 7x equals negative 42. Divide by 7. X equals negative 6. So x negative 6 is right there. That point is 0, negative 6, 0. The y-intercept. Your y-intercept, you basically cover the x. Notice that's a negative y-intercept. Notice that's a negative 3y equals to negative 42. Divide by negative 3. Get y equals to a positive 16. No, not 16. Oh my gosh, 14. 14. In doubt, use a calculator. Y is a positive 14. It would be here. And that point is called 0, 14, the y-intercept. Connect the dots. That's your graph. You're sketching that graph. Okay, x-intercept again. You cover the y. It's negative 5y. 40 equals to 10x, divide by 10, x equals to 4, and x is 4 is right here, and that point is called 4 is 0. Okay, and then you do your y-intercept, cover your x, negative 5y, 40 equals, divide by negative 5, negative 8. So y negative 8 is right here, and that is 0, negative 8. That's called the y-intercept. Connect it. Okay. Number 9, write an equation of a line in point slope form. Remember, point slope form is y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1. Given the slope and a point of a line, write the equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, so y minus y sub 1, that's x sub 1, y sub 1. 21 equals to m. They gave a slope already of 9, x minus this 2. 9x minus 18. That gets you 3 there. 9x plus positive 3. Y-intercept of 0, 3 there. Y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1. Y minus x sub 1, y sub 1 here, 7 equal the slope. The slope is negative 2. Slope is negative 2. X minus 4. Distribute first. Additive inverse. So that's negative 2x plus 8. Y minus 7 by adding 7. It's 15. Okay, write a sentence what you learned today. I think other class, we had talked too much about the Rams winning, and didn't get a lot of this done.